Bottle and scrambler, automatically sorting plastic can into the conveyor belt of the packaging line. Red dates combination weighing filling system. The filling speed is fast and the precision is high.
Suitable for all kinds of granules and solid materials. Flexible machine materials can be selected according to product materials.
Double head servo square can screw capping machine is suitable for capping different bottle shapes in condiment, food, pharmaceuticals, daily chemicals, pesticides, cosmetics and other industries. Cap supplying, bottle clamping, conveying and capping are fully automated. The machine has good stability and is easy to adjust. Induction aluminum foil sealing machine. This machine is suitable for aluminum foil seals, such as edible, medical, cosmetic, and daily, round bottles, square bottles, and shaped bottles.